Hey guys, it is 20 degrees outside. It is so hot in Calgary. Wait, God, minus temperature degrees. I'm sweating and hot. It is so hot degrees in Calgary, and I'm almost sweating. Look, it is 28 degrees. So hot. When there is no air conditioning in this house. This house is so hot. God. Looks like the 100 temperature degrees. It is so hot in Calgary. Oh, so hot in Calgary. Wait. So hot in Calgary. Look outside. Oh my God. It is so hot and humid temperature in Calgary. It is stampede. It is Calgary stampede. So it is hot outside. Oh, it's so hot. No air conditioning or nothing. God. It is Calgary stampede, but there is no air conditioning in this house. How could I survive in Calgary? How could I, survive, yeah. So I don't know what temperature degrees. It is so hot. Sweat a lot. Alright, let's go outside. Oh my God, the temperature is not that hot. But inside the house is so hot. I cannot believe this. Calgary is hot. Sweat a lot. And no air conditioning in that house. How could they rebuild the air conditioner? When something happens, there's no air conditioner in the house. I don't know why, because Calgary is so hot, no air conditioning in this house. So I don't know what they will rebuild. Yeah. So thanks for watching. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for the latest posted on Monday to Saturday. Peace out and here, ready go. So yeah, actually Calgary is hot and humid. So thanks for watching. Bye.